Hey guys, today we're gonna make a keto Portuguese pie. It is amazingly tasty, easy, and just amazing. And the best part, it's keto. So let's get started. Like always, the recipe will be in the info box below. So we're gonna get started with the grilling of our cubed ham, and this is just going to bring out the flavor and make the ham have this beautiful golden color so it looks even tastier than what it already is. Now we're going to add about a cup of a leek. We're going to use a 9-inch pan, and just to make sure that the parchment paper cooperates, Lili suggests to wet the parchment paper, squeeze the water out, and it becomes extremely pliable, and that way you don't have to fight with the parchment paper. To get our batter started, we're going to whisk the eggs first. Followed by our dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix everything together. Now we pour about half of the batter into the 9-inch pan, because now we're gonna start the layering process. Now we get to add the golden, beautiful looking ham, our boiled eggs, the tomatoes, one of my favorite ultimate foods, olives. These are so delicious. They're the huge fat ones that are stuffed. Just amazing. Oh, look how beautiful this looks. And of course, actually another great ingredient, cheese. Now we get to pour the rest of the batter in. Just spread it around nice and smooth to make sure all the ingredients are covered and are all cozied in there too. Bake for 30 minutes, and now look at this. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing, doesn't it? Oh, it's one of my favorites. Once it cools down a little bit, you can take it out of the pan. Remove the parchment paper, and oh my gosh, now we get to the best part, which is magic, because it tastes so amazing. You are going to love this pie. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye.